Introducing the 2021 Hyundai Tucson ix35 Executive Plus HEV 5-door auto in a sleek grey exterior. This MPV comes loaded with top-of-the-line comfort, safety and technology features, including satellite navigation, ambient lighting and collision avoidance braking. With a 1.6-litre engine and petrol-electric fuel type, this vehicle is as efficient as it is stylish. Not to mention, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit our website, jpmg.ie, for more information.